Mosquito prevention tips learned after 200 years of living. First, summer is coming. Ants run everywhere. Draw a circle around the food with chalk, and the ants won't get close. Second, add some white vinegar when cleaning the broccoli, and all the small insects hidden in the broccoli will come out. Third, put coriander and apple cider vinegar into the juicer to squeeze juice. Put the squeezed juice into a small watering can and spray it on your arm to prevent mosquito bite. There are many unexpected surprises in the links on the home page.
Kitchen practical tips. 1. Many people boil eggs in water. The yolk of the eggs cooked this way is gray-green. Will not be digested. The correct way is to put cold water in the pot. Add salt and cook for 8 minutes. Eggs cooked this way are yellow in color. It is healthier to eat. 2. Fried things left black oil. How to do. A spoon of starch and water mix well. Fry in a pan. Fully absorb the debris in the oil. Fish off the oil becomes clear. 3. Do not throw away the unfinished orange peel. Cut into shreds with scissors. Add 2 spoons of baking soda. Fill with water and seal for storage. Pure natural detergent is